Everybody, so I had a problem. This is a single cam 4.6 in a Grand Marquis, and it's got the plastic intake manifold, and it has the all metal pipe that runs from the back of the water pump, this nipple right here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a nipple down in there, and it slides over that nipple, and then it runs right here back all the way to the back, comes up back here in the back of the engine, and it connects to a metal or a rubber hose and runs over here to that heater hose right there. So mine developed a crack in it right there at that crease. There's a crack, and it was shooting a small jet of coolant out. It was causing my car to overheat. So if you have an all metal pipe that runs all the way under your intake manifold rather than the rubber that connects on here, with the all metal, all you have to do is get you a saw. We just have this little saw right here, connects to a air gun. But get you a saw, however you need to do it, and cut your metal pipe right there, and then also right where it meets the nipple. Make sure you don't hit the nipple, but cut it right behind the nipple. Just pop that off, and the metal that's left covering that nipple will just slide right off. This engine, this is a 2002 model. This has never been done, and it just slid right off for me. No rust, no binding, no nothing. It wasn't hard. It just came right off. And now we're going to do the fix where you can just put a rubber hose on that nipple, a 90-degree bend, and then just run heater hose straight out here over to there. This is a follow-up video to my previous video I uploaded. If you have a single cam 4.6 with the metal heater bypass pipe that runs underneath the intake manifold and your metal pipe is leaking, I showed you in the previous video how to cut out that metal pipe. And now this is everything you'll need to reroute that pipe. So you need a 36-inch long, 90-degree bend, 5/8 inch heater hose. You need 2 jugs of concentrate coolant. I'm changing out my thermostat and my gasket as well. You need 3 worm clamps, and you need a 5/8 inch to 5/8 inch plastic connector. All parts numbers will be in the description. Alright, so this is where you hook the rubber hose onto your back of your water pump, the nipple that comes off the back of the water pump. And then we've got it run. When you get your alternator on there, that hose is going to run right between the alternator and the bracket right there. And then it's just going to run over, and then we're going to connect it to the heater hose over here. Now, the heater hose that comes off this automatically, at the end where it connects to the heater core, it's 1/2 inch, and it immediately steps down to a 5/8 inch. So what I'm doing is I just cut the existing heater hose so that it would slide over the 1/2 inch pipe going into the heater core, and then that right there, that end is 5/8 inch. So I just got the 5/8 connector to run between those two. So that's how you do it.
Here, you need light?
No. Alright, so this is everything put back together. Down there in the valley we have our new hose, which now runs. I zip tied it to that wire right there, and it runs over and connects to our coupler on the heater hose there. Everything set back up. No leaks. Running good. Just ran it on idle for about 30 minutes. Never got above the halfway mark.